Today I'm taking you to a little town in the south of England called Bishop's Waltham. It's a medieval market town situated at the source of the river Hamble in Hampshire in England. It's at the foot of the South Downs National Park and is located round about midpoint of a long-established route between Winchester and Portsmouth. But today we'll be viewing Bishop Waltham's palace. This ancient English monument is a Grade II listed building. And over there we're looking at the remains of the ancient chapel. I found it difficult to pronounce the bishop's name, so I practiced it a few times, but apparently the bishop of the title was Henry of Blois. Yes, and he was the brother of King Stephen, who founded the Bishop's Waltham Palace in the 12th century. Being about 900 years old, as it would appear, you would expect some damage, but this much damage? I have to ask, why is it so badly damaged? Well, the answer is it was badly damaged when Henry II ordered Bishop Henry's castles and palaces to be destroyed in 1155 and 1156. But apparently it ended a little bit better than it started, because Henry of Blois returned from exile and started to rebuild the outer walls of the south and west ranges, incorporating much of the 12th century masonry. And we'll see a picture of that coming up later as well. And you may pause just here if you wish to read that clip.
To there is the Great Hall.
All of this was as a result of Henry being instrumental in the coup that brought Stephen to power and became his chief advisor. He changed sides twice during the civil war between Stephen and Matilda, and Henry I being the only surviving legitimate child. But when Henry II, Matilda's son, came to the throne in 1154, the bishop went into exile. The Bishop Waltham was badly damaged when Henry II ordered Bishop Henry's castles and palaces, apparently he had a few of them, to be destroyed in 1155 till 56, as I said. We've come into the museum part now with a few relics looking around. It's worthwhile pausing every now and then if you wish to read these little interesting facts. Go ahead, just pause, have a look. It's better than me telling you about it. course, for me to keep your attention for a full 10 minutes would be impossible, and I would encourage you just to come and have a look and experience this for yourself, to see how people lived and, well, look at these relics in more detail. Come and have a look. But this name Waltham, where does that come from? Yeah, I wondered the same. Now, I found that it probably comes from the Saxon word walt, meaning woodland, and ham, meaning settlement.
Okay, that's upstairs. Coming into one of the rooms now. A fabulous little fireplace, look at that. Would have been nice to entertain royalty, which is what the bishops did with all their fabulous wealth, thanks to the contributions of all their parish members. Pretty good lifestyle for all those hundreds of years ago. Tools of the trade.
Yeah, looking at those weights over there, I always thought they were door stops. I'm not sure what they were. Now let's take a look inside the fireplace. Oh, that looks dangerous. Sure, a bit smoky in here.
Any questions? Anything I can answer? Yeah, good. It is the last building of the palace that still has a roof on. Yeah, but this one didn't. So this is original. So the timbers upstairs that you see in the roof, they are.
Bishop's Waltham Palace, the abode of very wealthy bishop.
Please forgive my irony and my tone, but considering Jesus died in poverty, one looks around and thinks, wow, to be a Christian leader there is quite something.
The lodgings, not bad for a Christian leader.